This is how to switch your Instagram account to the personal or the private account. So let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply log into your account and then click on your profile icon at the very bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the very top right corner. Now click here settings and privacy or settings option in your case. So once you're done, you are here at this interface. Simply search in the search bar for creators. So once you find it, creator and tools option, now simply click on the creator tools and control option and you will be here at this interface. Here click on switch account type and then click on switch to personal account. Doing so, you have to just confirm your action, like you have to just again click on switch to personal account. So once you click on this option, you will be able to get your private account or the personal account on your Instagram. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a big help for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.